Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2021 Toyota 4Runner Nightshade Edition. Now the most notable features on this Nightshade is its power moonroof. You have your parking sensors along with your heated and cooled front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2021 Toyota 4Runner Nightshade. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Nightshade Edition is its daytime running lights, and as you can see, you also have the fog lights with the darker style chrome on here versus the limited model. Parking sensors over on the side, you do have the 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels, integrated signal lamps, foldable mirrors, and heated mirrors. Now, the other nice thing is that you do have the power folding running boards. So when you actually open up the door, they'll actually fold out for you, and once you have the door closed, it'll fold back up for you as well. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats. You have your black interior, power driver's seat with lumbar support, mirror controls, automatic high beams, window wiper deicer, on and off switch for the power folding running boards, and your rear cargo power outlet. Window locks, power locks, window controls both your front and rear windows, along with your seat memory controls. A couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your seek function, volume control, voice recognition, mode select, Bluetooth connectivity, lane departure alert, cruise control, and it does come equipped with the push button start. So all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a digital speedometer, sway warning. You can also go through and take a look at your fuel economy on here as well. You'll find your tire pressure monitoring, compass, audio, lane departure alert, messages, and settings menu with the lane departure alert, pre-collision system, parking sensors on and off, and a couple of other additional features. Taking a look at the center dash area, you do have your digital clock, hazard lights, and then if you go inside the menu screen, you'll find the destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, with the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app as well as the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Premium JBL sound system with the Sirius XM satellite radio, dual zone climate control settings, USB and heated and cooled front seat controls for your driver and passenger, 4x4 select, matted to an automatic transmission with your open and close for the power rear window. And if we take a closer look just at the top here, you have your auto dimming rear view mirror with the integrated garage door open controls, open and close for the power moonroof, traction control on and off, A-track, downhill assist control, and your SOS Connect. Taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, looking at your rear bumper, you're going to find your parking sensors located right across. On the back, you're going to find your backup camera and your rear hatch release located just underneath. Closing in, as you can see, you have a 50-50 split for the third row, and then as for the second row, you can have that folded down as well if you need more additional cargo room. And like with the 50 side, or 50-50 third row I should say, you can have them folded up for additional passengers. Over on the right hand side you have the rear cargo power outlet, so if you're ever out of the cabin or late during the weekend and you need to plug in your tools, you can do so. Or if you'd like, you can plug in a mini fridge or a couple of speakers. You also have the cargo liner in the back, which is also nice, so in the event that you spill any liquids back there, it's easy to clean up afterwards, just because you can have it removed and clean up properly afterwards. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.